I know I'm late. I apologize. That's my bad. That's on me for being late. I was having a phone call discussion, discussing things with people. Obviously with people. Anyways, how's everybody doing? How's it going? Are we all good? I see I need to open the curtains because it's dark up in here. Perry's lying down quickly. I see that I did and did not miss much. And I see Asia's going sideways, so this is fun. This is gonna be fun. That's all I'm saying. Today it's gonna just be fun. This is gonna be a very entertaining day. Maybe we get some good things. Hopefully I don't look like a freaking snowman now because I've done this. Whee! Okay. Nope. Okay, that looks a little bit better. I don't look see-through. That's a start. Are we ready, steady, to go? Yes, I just said go. But we're gonna just go with it. Hey Louie, what's up? Already, I'll probably just hang out today until New York opens. Great morning, honey. Aww. You are. How are you doing, High Life? And Booty! What is up? And my guy. How's it going?
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
Like I said, I literally see that nothing really happened. At all. That's very sad. What just happened? Okay, don't know why it zoomed out like that, but anyways, let's just... Do you guys hear the Hottie-Does? Gosh, they make too much noise. Literally, they make so much noise. Anyways, so here's previous day high. Previous day high slash... what am I doing? Just want to make it not thickness, I'm being a chop. There we go. In the same breath, here are some relative equal highs. Sorry, marking out all my buy-side liquidity. Okay. New York low is here. New York low, do 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 do. Right by Asia low, that's nice, that's, well, previous day Asia low, let's just be specific. Debbie, what's up? Good morning, Dom. Moon candles, that's more. No shortcoming, prepare. Right, you know, anything nice right now would be nice. This just low-key looks like it's been going sideways, which gives me hope for London. Maybe London will move today. Maybe. Let us be optimistic, right? Maybe we shall see some momentum. Just gonna mark that out as a point of interest. Done. Okay. Now. Is there even gonna be a new daily opening gap? Probably not. No. Not really. So, no new daily, but we do have opening range here, so let's just change the style of this to that. Awesome, then let's go to midnight. Midnight, whoopsies. Midnight, where you at? Midnight is this way. This way! Right there. Midnight. Okay. Let's do this thing. Ow, I'm gonna turn. Ow. Where's your headset gone? Oh, yeah, no, I haven't been using the headset in a while. It was irritating me. Right above level. Booker's back. Man, it's Catwoman. What's up, Eddie? Wow. We were just sitting here talking about my headset. Yeah, it didn't last very long, did it? It was, I don't know, it was irritating me. To be fair, I am just a little overstimulated recently. Guys, I literally slept for 12 hours. I wish I was joking. I've been sleeping like garbage, so I ended the stream early yesterday, and I went and I was like, I need sleep. I need sleep. I slept for like 12 hours. I didn't even think that was humanly possible, but here we are. Cleaning up stop loss up and down. Well, it's officially London open. I have not done a top to bottom analysis yet. I need to just be better, right? But let's mark this out. I know I might be jumping the gun a little bit here. Ooh, maybe not. Okay. Oh, hey David, what's up? Quick top to bottom analysis. Quick. No wonder it's taken out everything. Shoot. I would actually like to see it head back down today. To at least retest. But, you know, I don't think it gives a damn about what I want. A little bit of a freaking retest. There's so many imbalances to the sell side right now. Okay, so that's the daily. Let's check 4 hour. Yep. Wait, look at this! Look at this! What is this? Is this the... It is. This is the yesterday's new daily opening gap that was created there. Ooh, but if it wants to come and fill that and then go back up, that's a possible. That's a possible. That's a possibility. That's possible. Anyways. Hey Mark, let's hope Trump has lost his phone today and can't tweet anything. Do I live stream stocks too? Sorry, no I don't. Jacked abs. I'm about to watch it Nice, there we go. Yeah, you tell them, David. You tell them. So 4 hour, 1 hour. So I'm supposed to be quick. A retest would be nice. At least to 488. Shush, I hear you. I know, it's fine. 15 minutes. Again, market doesn't give a damn about what I want to see it do though, so let's do this. Okay, at least 926 should be good. 5 minutes. Okay. Let's get it started in ha. Let's get it started in here. Let's get it started in ha. Let's do this. Okay, down to VWAP, down to midnight. If we head down to Asia low, would be a goodie. Why did that not work for you, David? Give me a second, I think I know why. Give me a second. Woof. I might have to go check what he's barking. Sure, fine. Sure. Should be fine. Oh my good grief. Okay, so that. 2, 3. Okay. Done. There we go. It should be good. But every time I do the screen, come on, it breaks it. Let's see, maybe it's working now. I hope so. It should be. I see there was an issue that popped up with it. Sorry, guys. Trying to sort that out quickly. While we're waiting for this, let's see. See, Dom, this could be it. This could be it. No, it's not wanting to work today. Okay, there we go. Okay, David, it should be working now. Should be being the keyword. There we go. Doc, what's up, Louie? What was I singing, Louie? I completely forgot what I was singing. What did I actually sing? Oh, I don't like dogs. Why are you so negative, Emma? Blue line was entry. Let us see. Let us see. Okay. Into midnight, please. Let us have some good things today. Why do you want me to sing it again? I don't like animals in the house, but I do like them on the planet. I'm gonna... Damn, savage. Flipping heck. Okay, I lied. Now I'm gonna sit on my hands and stay out. There we go, Shaggy. Did you take a short? Let's see. Ooh, I'm fogging up my glasses. I have coffee again today. The tea was good yesterday, but I got my coffee back today. Hey, Life Sound, what? How you doing? How you doing? How goes it? How goes it?
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
A portal opened up. Yeah, that makes sense. I get it. I get it. Market is so slow. Where is Trump? Banny trades, I hear you. Fourth short today for 20 points each, 100% on the day. Nice, Shaki. I feel like I'm pushing my luck. Good. You wanted to tell us what tea it was. You need a box of Yorkshire tea and then you put... So it was actually a tea that I won. Should I go? I'll go find... It's like a London tea. I'll go get the little tin. They're done now, which is unfortunate. But yeah, I won them at a horse show. And now they're finished, which makes me sad. So it's a very cool little tin that I came, and I'm gonna keep the tin. Don't know what I'm gonna put in there, but it's cute as heck. Pretty good. No, I'm just trying not to die here. That's about it. No Yorkshire tea or death. Oh, good grief, my bad. Okay, my B. Let's see if we break below midnight. It's about to tap into a volume and balance. Ooh, I swallowed so loud there. So sorry. Can you guys hear when I like gulp? That's a weird oh my gosh, wait a second. Let's just... I'll do this. I know.
That's what she said.
I know what I said. I get it. Okay, my bad. Best tea in the world. Always made me laugh when you go away. I just breakfast. I need help. I want to.
That's what she said.
Anyways. I knew it. Why did I know you were gonna do that? Predictable, David. Predictable. Be better. Entry here would be better. And stop loss a little bit higher. Okay, let's hope for something good. Literally Tuesday price action was beautiful. I would love some more good price action. Come on. Give us something good. Give us something good. Give us something good. Pretty, pretty. Pretty, please. Pretty, pretty, please. Pretty, pretty, please. Here we go. 3:11. Okay, 11 minutes have gone by already, and I say not much has happened. There has been a little bit of a drop. Can't say nothing has happened. A little bit has happened. My partner. I'll stop being abusive about tea. You know, everyone has their passions. It's fine. You're passionate about tea. I have some friends like that, but they get like, I guess they're not that fussy with tea, but they are fussy with, I don't know, they have you ever had like the different flavored teas? Ooh, I might trigger you with this one, but you know, like watermelon mint flavored tea. I might be triggering you with that. I don't know if that's something you've ever done or ever had. What your thoughts on it are. Anyone here tried Nexus Chart Trader? Anyone? David Jonas is asking if anyone here has tried Nexus Chart Trader. I have not. There we go. No. Cool. Life sound, yeah, but brother, no. I don't mind a flavored tea, but realistically, it's not tea, is it? A lemon or mint or a good bedtime infusion, it's great, but it isn't tea. Oh, okay. Okay. Just want to check. Justin, what are you talking about? What do I know on TV? I'm planning to move to Ninja. Can you recommend any good custom order management ads-on for it? I have not used Ninja. David, which prop room are you going through? Are you doing live? What's your thing? Swimming. Wow, why is all the what's happening today? All them weirdos are here today. I mean, it is what it is, but we good? We're good. What's up today? What happened? Amazing. You had your chance. Train is going down. Meh. I've been using Cointel, I like the features. If I wanted to move to Ninja, as a subscription fee, I have to pay every month. Doesn't Ninja Trade also have one though? David, I'm pretty sure Ninja also has one. I just don't know if it's as expensive. Those aren't teas, I guess. Then what are they? Broth? I guess. Shaki, you have a point. I mean, tea is just... I don't know, what exactly is... Yeah. Infusions or just a hot drink? Oh! Oh damn, okay, it's just a hot drink. it's not tea leaf. Okay, we can start to have a debate about tea, but let's not even go there. Dom, you said the train is leaving. This train is going nowhere slow. It's one of those old, like, steam engine trains that goes me like that. You can very easily jump onto that thing. A runaway train, different story. That thing just goes. It's like the cow train. Goes 180 kilometers an hour. This is definitely one of those old school ones that you could basically walk next to it. And it's just sad. My sister-in-law drinks hot water. I wouldn't call that tea. Lemon infusion, usually lemon balm or something. Not tea leaves. Swimming in the shadows. I know nothing about trading. Would I lose a bunch of money at first learning? Yes. Yep. That's why you need capital when you start. You are bound to lose. Definitely. You are bound to lose. It's part of learning. You don't lose, you're not gonna learn. Okay, now that's more of a runaway train. I say, and it starts to go back up. Like steam locomotive running out of steam. Exactly. It's run out of, what did they use? They used coal, didn't they? Yeah, I had a limit order at 6 to sell, but the train never came back for me. If we break below the current level, we may go to 2,500. I mean, yeah. That's very likely. That's right there. 2,500 makes sense. Asia low is right below at 24980, so that's definitely a possibility. How does the bad boy look now? Oh, still bad. I mean. No. Maya scared the momentum away. Instead of steam trains running here, it's more experience into getting. They use cold. Nice. I'll just get 20 minutes. Go with proper trading to minimize your losses and get to know the risk management early on. Kiss me? True. Regarding learning to trade, consider it the cost of learning. You're going to need to invest money into whatever you want to learn. The market will just take whatever you give it. Pay your tuition fees. Okay. Now it's more of a runaway train. Now I'll give you the runaway train vibe. Taps into 2,500. No, 25,000. 25,000. 25,000. Anyways. Okay. Had now a solid change of character and a break of structure. But that wiki is not great. I do not hate this for a little shorty short. Relative equal lows just below. Ew. Is it gonna get here though? Now that it just tapped into 2.5. TP hit. Hey! Well done! With regards to TP hit, you get a nice crisp whip. Daddy Stocks, what's up? Do you trade ICT? I use some ICT concepts, yes. Right. I'm gonna do one. I know one is nothing, but let's see for a sell limit back down to at least. Oh, it's a little bit below these relative. Ah, sugar honey. Nah, it's gonna take out these relative equal lows and then go back up potentially. Oh, nah. It's going for them. Ooh, wait, I want to quickly see something. Pity. What I want to see is this. Oh, still would have missed. How rude. Okay then. Be like that. Make those tuition fees worth it. Journal every trade, invest in discipline, and find your edge. Find the profitable strategy that you'll follow for the rest of your life. A+ entries. What's up, loader? What you doing? I've been trading the unicorn model and I see a lot of fake setups. Anyway, get on how I can refine it. I can tell you what OTT did, but that feels sneaky because it's not. Yeah, how do I put it? It's not something that I did, you know. Apparently Nasdaq hates me. Why? To be fair, I sometimes think Nasdaq hates me too, but what did it do to you? Oh, Lodo, don't worry, trust. I think we all feel like that sometimes. Like, it's just... Like you said, every single trade you take, it feels like it's either teasing you or it's going completely to seek you out and destroy you. And I'm just like, it's mean. It's really, really mean. Remember that we had New York City gap up? Not a hectic one though. Oh no, that being said, there is this. That is true. That do be true. But I'm out of quantiform. Nope. My TP is at 980. Oh, so Asia low, right? Asia low is your TP. Stop it. We come up 500 or so, but I was almost 1K. Got in a long. Oh, okay, damn, Banny. Let's go. Is it Banny or Barney? Out of curiosity, why did you take it long? If you don't mind me asking. Genuine curiosity. Benny. Okay, cool. I use bunch bands. I'm sorry, did you say 26080? Do you mean 25080? I just copy traded that dude and lost 40 bucks. Don't copy trade. Be better. Okay, I was about to say, I was like, what the heck? That's definitely more of a swing trade. Anyways. Maybe because of the double bottom. Samuel, that's valid. It was a bit of a double bottom. Which is very interesting, because I mean Asia low and the equal lows, unless it's just edging people, which is rude. I'm looking into ICT to try and figure out what you're looking for. No, that's basically it, Jackie, yeah. That's basically, I know maybe it sounds too simple, right? But that's basically it. We've been a pullback waiting for continuation and it pulls back into the 50%. And the confluences are, like I said, I forgot about VWAP. So there's VWAP, there's fair value gaps, there's volume imbalances, shelves. I still call them shelves. I guess they could be called like pivot points. Shoot, I feel like I'm missing something. But yeah, those are basically it. Last 40 because my stop loss hit. I didn't see, but I'm up 100. Daddy stocks, what do you mean I'm getting busy today? What does that mean? How? What? Why? Huh? Cool. Potential double bottom. Volume to the bull side has increased. I know I mustn't get like married to my bias, right? Because my bias is bearish today. Don't marry your bias. Don't marry your bias. Don't marry your bias. For them relative equal lows in Asia low. It's so close. I'm making more of a momentum trade, I guess. I guess, Shaki, yeah, you're right. I am more of a momentum. It's why when it's sideways, it sucks. It's really, really bad. I don't know what to do with myself when it's sideways. It's what I'm learning. I use huge stop loss and small position sizes. If it works for you, why not? My brother doesn't teach me strategy, not doing it. I'm usually seeing them. Going down. He's taken 17 payouts. Good grief, 17 payouts? That's not bad. Should have said my short knee. And sideways, you can focus on reading individual candles. Meh. Yes and no, this looks like it might be retesting again. This is gonna go further up. At least on ES. Shoot. Problem is on ES I expect this to go further than I want to see it go. How much would I be risking with this, just with one contract? $30. Am I low-key being married to my... No, it's going down. Lord, have I had a payout yet? No, I have not. Funny, $300 a month. Son, I want to sell you. Losing day, he doesn't trade for at least 15 days. What? Why? Why not? 15 days is insane. Let us see here. This is not looking great. Am I being a negative Nancy? Probably. feel like it's gonna go higher than I want to see it go right now. Should have bought it to 500. Yeah, Carlos. Hey, Innocent. Joy, I'm not in this trade. No, here's my limit to actually get in for a short. Yeah, so just take a screenshot of what setups not to take, just like revenge trade. How many mods are there? What? Loading? It's a very random question. $30. Let's see. It's hit 100%. What do you mean, son? The short has gone all the way down? Nope. Pity. My stop loss is at 24850. Sugar honey iced tea. Fine then. Whatever. Still, ooh, it's edging people. It still has not taken out the relative equal lows. Ah, that's funny. It's being mean to me right now. That's what it's being. Mother fluffer. I said it. Let's sell 5. I did set it. Your sell limit's gonna be hit sure 100% if you don't cancel it. I get back on the right stream now. Trade on for a reason. Horizontal stream trips me out. That's weird. Why? That's very interesting. A few stars just important as knowing when to take trades. Hey! XXXXXL. What's up? Hedging. It's like watching before the markets open about. Yes, good morning. In about, what do you mean in about 27? Markets are def open right now. Arthur, just saying. Definite. There's no more debate about whether London is open or not. London is officially open as of 3 AM EST. Like I said, there's definitely no more debate about that. There was a debate about that, don't get me wrong. But that debate is over. Okay, relative equal high. Oh, relative equal highs. Relative equal lows. I've low-key been tapped into. Oh man. Okay, next point of interest is Asia low. Is it gonna have a little bit of a retest again? Maybe. Wait, what time we're looking at right now? 34. This mother fluffer keeps going down. London Bridge is falling down. Doo -doo 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 -doo. Nope. Okay. Okay then. Okay, well. Like the usual pop in the volume at the top of the hour at 4 AM. Yes, I agree about 4 AM being a pop. No doubt about that, but that's not when market opens. 4 AM is just sassy. No, London Open happens at 3 AM EST. Yeah, thank you. Thanks, guys. You ready for the bounce? So, what do you think about possible size? Ceasefire continuing on stopping off the close the market tomorrow. Timing is everything with this country. That's valid. What I think, you know, in all honesty, who knows anymore. I feel like all of it is propaganda, all of it is manipulation. Maybe that sounds really bad and real negative, but it is what it is. And it is just manipulation right now. Futures is open 24 hours. It's not open 24 hours, isn't it? 23 hours? There's like an hour where it's closed, isn't it? Now I would know I had a 24-hour stream, but it was 23 hours because obviously it closed at specific time. Guess I should have held that last shot I took. Yeah, hindsight, right? Jackie, hindsight. So, hindsight. Hindsight. Why do we call it hindsight anyways? Anyways. Yeah, honestly, Samuel, be better. Okay, be better. I'm just kidding. For anyone that has just hopped on, how you doing?
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
Hope you guys are amazing. But it's not high side. Root cause of an animal, so I guess it just means looking back. I guess life sound. That's what I was thinking, but I was like, Okay, relative equal lows were taken, so you can expect a little bit of a bigger I like it, I'm gonna take it. Maybe it's a bad idea, but I like it, so I'm gonna take it. And Asia low is right there. Okay, you know what? If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. I'm still fine if it hits stop loss. Okay, well, I have my limit order set. Let's see, if it goes higher because it's taken out the equal lows, I get it, but let's see, it's right by Asia low there, which is a nice point of interest. Like I said, did take out these relative equal lows, so you can expect a little bit of a higher bounce up. And hands off. Like, that's so irritating. Like, sorry, I know I'm saying like a lot, but you literally cannot trust anything that you read, because one day you're like, yay, and then the next it's all gone to poop again. I took my trade with predefined TP stop loss. Anything outside of that isn't my concern. Do you watch your own streams as a journal? I do sometimes. I say sometimes because have you ever like listened to a voice note of yourself and you're just there going, now imagine watching yourself doing dumb things and you hear yourself and you go, gosh, this person's dumb, and then I'm like, oh, I am that person. 20 minutes, let's see, we've already, yeah, what do you prefer? Stockmarket can be slow, it's not as a simple place. When do you think I play some PUBG, watch Stockmarket for hours at times? Well, yeah, I agree, yeah. Benny, it's hard. It's hard. Did you just send me a message on I did. I did. How about you just like, what the heck? Oh gosh. Weeble is no good. I mean, this range is also kind of nice. I'm not gonna lie about that, but because it just took out relative equal lows, I would expect a bit more of a push up. And it hasn't taken out the 50% of that. Oh, never mind then. Screw me, I guess. Gosh. You know, screw what I have to think and say. This trade here, look at this mother fluffer. Top tick. Top ticked. Whatever. Whatever. I did set the trade. I had valid reason for using the larger range because it has yet... No, it still had not. Had it? No, it had not. It had yet to retrace to the 50%, which is what I've been waiting for. It's just not doing it. Screw you. Yeah, screw you, NQ. That was mean. That was unnecessary. Followed my rules and you just went completely against me. Would have been such a nice trade. Oh well. It is what it is. Unless there's something like, damn, she's up early. Curious insight. Yeah, no, it's like 9:41 a.m. this side of the world. Yeah, I was just getting tea and got this. Oh, you got your tea? Nice. Is it tea time? I don't know why I did that. Anyways, that was rude. Whatever. I mean, that would have been a freaking bang of a trade, right? Literally would have top ticked and down for full TP. So my reason for not doing that, two reasons. Number one, took out relative equal lows where you can expect a little bit of a further retracement. Secondly is that it had yet to retrace the full 50% of this range. So if you follow all of this down, it has not, even there, it failed to retrace 50%. So I thought after taking out the relative equal lows, we could have expected a higher retracement back up. Apparently not. So that's fine. Whatever, whatever, whatever. Be salty. Okay, Asia low officially taken. There's my point of interest gone bye-bye. NQ can be a brat sometimes. Yeah, Shaki, a little bit. Ever seen wild animals in South Africa? Ever had to protect your horses from wild animals? Yeah, Daddy Stock's literally on Discord. There's videos of the snakes at the stables. I actually used to live right by the bush in Hoedspruit where there were buffalo and you would go riding with giraffes and zebras and things. I remember on the farm one time, there was a bunch of warthogs. I didn't have to protect my horses from them, don't get me wrong. There was one time there was a puff adder. Those are dangerous. And I was just like, nope. And I turned around and came home. I barely left. I saw the puff adder and I just went, nope. And I came home. That was quite funny. Yeah, I think that's about it. Don't try to catch the 49. Don was right. He said, so I was not here for the moon. Butterfly will poop. Hey, Don, well done. That is awesome. But yeah. That was a pity. If I'd used, was this... Out of curiosity, was this an A+ setup? 1, 2... Meh. Was a B setup with... Well, I probably actually wouldn't have taken this. I'm not even gonna sugarcoat that. That was like a B setup with a bunch of magnets higher above. Why the larger range was actually the nicer setup. Oh well. It is what it is. We now move on to the next. What chart is this? Mike the Goat? What's up? It's Nasdaq futures. Mike? Very good. Sales look good unless Trump tweets. I hear that, Tyson. Seriously, I hear that. How are you? Part of being pretty and smart. And just pretty smart. Lava Turtle, what up? I'm so sorry, that was so lame.
Emotional damage.
That's my bad, that's my bad. I'll be better. That was very cringeworthy. I do apologize. I apologize for being cringe. It's my thing. Come here for the trading. Stay for the ooh. I feel like that is pretty often what I do. Oh gosh. Okay, so it took out Asia Low. Now, shoot, man, it took out my point of interest. Okay. Well, I do very much have a bearish bias for today, so let's see. Next one is right by Bob level. Don't want to catch a falling knife? Catch a falling knife and put it in your pocket. Boop, 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 boop. Nope, danger, danger, danger. Don't do that. Oh, shoulda, coulda, woulda, Louis. I should have used the smaller range, but again, would I have? Probably not. Okay, are we gonna, it's gonna go to Bob level. Guarantee. So I did see this earlier. What does this actually look like on the 5 minute? Let's have a quick look-see. Let's have a quickie look-see. Shoot. For a Bob to Bob, this would have been it. Yeah. This would have been the Bob to Bob trade. Oh, pity. Oh well. Looks like it's gonna be a banger. Let's see if it ends up tapping into the Bob level. Seriously. New York low and Asia low. Ooh, wait. Have I taken it across that new daily opening gap? That was on Tuesday. Where's that? There he is. This actually is my main point of interest for today. This new daily opening gap. That is my main point of interest for today. If it goes far that down. If it goes that far down, though, to be determined, guys. It's not even Friday, and my English is depleted. This is gonna get so much worse. Let's do this. Hey, rural sheepdog. Sheep? Trading chick, you made any coin yet? Nothing today yet. What's up? How you doing? Wonder if this is about to go down for a dip and then come back up and linger. That dude made me laugh so hard. Motion damage. Captain's picks up a 75. I mean, that new daily opening gap is a long way down. I agree. But I'm not saying during London. Okay, let's maybe rephrase this. Throughout the day, maybe to end of the week, back to the new daily opening gap. Right? Maybe we just have a bit of a bearish market until the weekend. This might be the end of the dip though. Come to America, let me take you out on a date. Is this the MNQ? Mike the Goat? Yeah. MNQ? A whiff. It is indeed MNQ. Are you a new Mike the Goat? No ways. We have another Mike the Goat. I even have like a little thing for him. Is this? No ways. Interesting. Anyways. Curiosity's sake is gonna make me do this again. I ain't taking this, but curiosity. Alright. Zero bomb, non-starting ceasefire. What a pick. Market is uncertain. Life is uncertain. Only one. I was about to say, I was like, so Mike, have you not known what I've been trading on this whole time? So I think that's just what I'm confused about. I'm like, surely you know what I've been trading on this whole time. No bear market up and down for the next 3 to 4 weeks. What? Don't say that, Dirk. Don't be like that. But I wouldn't surprise me if it hits back there in time. I feel like that Asia session was a little otherworldly. Yep. No, it was insane. I'm sorry, it was insane. But that's why I'm saying it surely has to be rebalanced. Even going down to that new daily opening gap isn't rebalancing the whole imbalance, but it rebalances most of it. Like if you check out the daily, that new daily opening gap is quite a nice... I mean, volume imbalances tend to be a little bit like a magnet, right? It's quite a big volume imbalance. It's just what I suspect. I could be so wrong. And it could take a heck of a lot of time to actually get down there, but you know what they say, it likes to be in balance. Green Globe Explorations!
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
Yeah, I noticed they didn't keep my chart show. Oh, that's weird. Okay. John Cook says, jump in. Let's see. Coffee, 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 coffee is good. Coffee, 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 nummy, nummy, coffee, 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 coffee. This is what 12 hours of sleep looks like. Sorry, still trying to organize life. Please plan from, yeah, that's fine. Now the market does hit an imbalance. I often discount that kind of thing once we retested a point within the imbalance and broken back above below, but we haven't had any significant breakup. But Benny, you want this to Benny, sorry, it's gonna drive me crazy. You want this to come from here? That's the buying zone, the Trump zone is coming. Uh, 4-hour breakup after retesting. Let's actually check the higher time frame. Wait, what time is it? Okay, we have a few minutes. I'm hands off until 4. That 4 AM candle can be a witch with a bee. There we go. Let's check the 4. Wait, before I do this to you guys. Turn everything off so I don't blind you guys. Let's pick the 4-hour. Okay, it's gonna at least have to break below 927, right? Let's check a little bit closer. Yeah, 927. Let's say 927, 925. It's gonna have to at least break below there to retap into the imbalance before it goes back up. That's at least what I suspect it could want to do. But look at this. And I mean, this imbalance is on the daily, the 4-hour, the 1-hour, 15-minute, 5-minute, all the minutes. So, okay, 927 is safe. Could see a little bit of a rejection off of 946. But I mean, like I said, look at this imbalance. This imbalance is insane. Double bottom. Creating a W. PDF, what's up? I can link it, but you're right, I can go down to at New York Open or around. I'll just get out of the long if it breaks 880. Sure, good grief. How big is your freaking stop loss? GGL with that. That bottom time. Yeah, I reckon these sweep below 927. I'd look to discount all that unbalanced short term if we hit 927 and then broke above 25250. Time to pump that sky. You missed the bounce and we only got 4.5 minutes left. Get ready to rip. Baby shark, jump out. You know what you're giving me the vibes of? You put your left hand in, you put your left hand out, you put your left. I don't know why my brain went there, but anyways, that's where it went. You put your one contract in, you take your one contract out, you put two contracts in, and you shake all about. Okay. Asia swept, you are correct. Asia was swept. Let's do this. Ooh, I see we had extra weirdness when waking up today, Maya. Let's do this. Sorry, knocking things over. Okay. Okay. Okay, wait a minute. With that little Asia sweep. Nah. Then you shake and draw down. Our trips are already halfway through. Take a break. We've got 3.5 minutes. Going to the bathroom. Be right back. Oh, cheers, Arthur. Enjoy. Lights out. I love it. Is this gonna be the new song? You put one contract in. Hey, Chris, what's up? How you doing? Chris, good to see ya. Pundit, how's it? Okay. 2 minutes to go for that 4 a.m. candle. Always wait for that 4 a.m. candle. It can be amazing. Or just moody. All the moodies. And sometimes it actually just does nothing. But, you know, I guess it's a little bit like the markets. One day great, one day me. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Sorry. Okay. Freaking hell, I was like, this is the longest 2 minutes of my life right now. You know, memento to go. And it could retrace all the way back up. I still do not hate this. I still don't hate this trade. I think it's still maybe a tad bit too large, but it is what it is. Let's see. Is it, how is it? Oh, how is it? It's Daddy Stocks. Let me actually type it in. No, you are here. There we go. How's it? Like, how is it? Actually, think of it like that. It's really lame. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, let's go.
Harry, are you here for it? Watch. Nothing happened. Ah, come on, 4 a.m. We've got a little periwinkle. Does anyone here trade multiple instruments? I'm sure there's a few people here that trade multiple instruments. Please pump 100 points. I'll close my platform for today. Now, does anyone here trade? Hey, Akram. I trade the Nasdaq futures. Where am I from? I'm from South Africa. What's up? So Shaki trades NQ and ES. Do you trade the minis and micros? Or do you just trade? Yeah. Perry, what happened? Uh-oh. Uh-oh, he knocked my water bottle over and he panicked. It's okay. You're okay. That did not do what I wanted it to do. What's my buddy's name? Perry. And he is so cute. Uh-oh. You feel bad? You should feel bad. You should feel so bad. Mini usually, but if I need to size down, I'll trade micros. Shakin, you've been trading for a year. Why did you decide to do minis instead of micros? Out of curiosity. Like, no judgment or anything. I'm genuinely curious. I was wondering if because you speak good English and you trade in the mornings, Polish time. Yeah. Ever considered ESU? To value is 12.50. Actually, I have not. This is going to head for them lows. Well, that was disappointing. How disappointing. Okay then. Apparently, you know, trend is friend. Just keep following it down. It just keeps hitting that 50%, 50%, 50%. Now. Why did it not do it earlier? Rude. Very weekly reminder. Pool guy tomorrow. Yeah. I won't be on the Aww. Live sound, where you gonna be? That's not nice. Why aren't you gonna be here? I'm gonna miss you. Hey Gaurav, what's up? How you doing? That was an interesting wick down there. I just can't deal with you, fine.
Emotional damage.
Yeah, that seems about right. Life sound goes, I just can't deal with you 5 days a week. By the bounce back from the bathroom, it came out nice. Did it? I mean, it was okay. I expect a little bit more from the 4 AM if I'm being honest, Arthur. I don't know about you. But I really expected just, you know, a tiny bit more than that. Normally the 4 AM is a beast. Today, it just went me. Sorry, Joke's flying to Turkey tomorrow, so I gotta be out the door early, so no trading, but hitting. That's cool though. Turkey for holiday or work? I don't usually lose 5 in a row. Brag much? No, I'm kidding. Just kidding. Yeah, mine. Okay. This was something. Me and the fam going for a week to defrost. Ooh! Damn! Okay, okay.
Nice.
Look at you go. Is it that cold there? I'm sad now. Because it was such a... I really liked the trade from earlier. I really thought it would come back and retest it. And it didn't. That being said, that's also fine. It's fine. When it hits 24981. Why? Because then there I would have bought already. Maybe it goes up now. Oopsies, that's going down. You know what's now stuck in my head? Now listen up, here's a story. It's actually been quite nice last few days, but generally, yeah, it's chilly. Hoping to get my laptop set up in the hotel room so I can trade New York, but probably won't have time for both sessions. I should have bought the bounds. Hi. I don't know, I still think it wants to come take out the lows and then we could maybe see it go back up. I could be wrong. I could be wrong. ES is pushing for higher. I can definitely see that. NQ is fighting it a little bit. A little bit of an SMT was actually created there on ES. The problem is we have decent wicks to the buy and the sell right now, which means buyers and sellers are in a little bit of a battle. A little bit. If you buy after that support, it's a good trade. Let's see, still struggling. I agree it's in a deciding point right now. I do agree. It's in a solid deciding point right now. Question is where it's gonna break. Oh my gosh, live sound. Oh, I'm sad now. How long are you on holiday for? Yo, listen up, here's a story. This is not gonna be stuck. Could you put the line on? What was at 981? Okay. Let's see. Low volume. I know, which makes me kind of sad. To be fair, it's better than yesterday. Which is kind of wild, but it's definitely better than yesterday. Is there news later? I feel like there's some form of news every single freaking day recently, but is there some major news happening later? Let's check here. Okay. Yep, okay, there's a lot. There's a lot of news happening later. So maybe New York will actually... Hey, called it! Self 5. Anyway, sorry. That was so lame. I apologize for doing that. That was disgusting. How dare I do that? Anyways... Interesting. Called that one quite nicely. This would have made me sad. That's what that would have done. That would have made me sad. One week Friday, thankfully, because the time different New York is afternoon London, so probably I'm going to name to hang out with you guys. Sad. It really is. Thank you. Don't you think the market will try to fill the gap because it was bull movement made by... Yeah, I'm waiting for it to... Wait. Don't you think the market will try to fill the gap? You mean the huge bull gap that it's created? Because it was bull movement made by Twitter. So Cozy Meal, yeah, that was actually the discussion we had. Where was it that we said? 9? 7 sugar honey iced tea. Where was that? Where did I say I wouldn't mind seeing it bounce? Cookies and cream. Give me a second. Is it on the 4 hour? Yeah, there we go. Okay, at the end of this bob level. Wouldn't mind to see it take that, and then we might see a little bit more of a bounce. But that's where we low-key headed by the looks of things. Still a little bit of sell-side liquidity as well. Nailed it. Okay, now to try and see if we can get in a trade. Now, tooketh bob level. Oh, it's right by this New York low. That's where it is. Yeah, 926. Daddy stocks, don't take this the wrong way, but you make literally no sense. 1 second you're saying it's an uptrend, the next you're saying it's a sell trend. Sorry. Hey Supra, what's up? How you doing? How goes it? How goes it?
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
Hope you're doing amazing. What price you reckon it'll bounce? Hamstring Sally, that's what we were kind of having a look at. It might, because it's going to tap back into the fair value gap at 926, 927. Maybe it can go lower to 914. And then we might see a little bit of a bounce back up to the bull side. That's just what I suspect, though. You know, do the markets ever listen to me? No. What's up, One Trade? How you doing? I'm noticing high volume respects that long position as well as... I'm noticing high volume respects the long position as well as price action. Mike? Elaborate a little bit. I think I understand what you're saying, but... You're all well done. Whoop whoop for you. Proud, proud, proud. Rejection for this bob level. Me. Oh, I drew that like an idiot. There we go. No, entry further down would actually be better. It's a little bit more risky with the stop loss. High volume equals faster price action. Oh, okay, yes. 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 I was like, yes, maybe, no, eh. Yeah, no, daddy stocks. We don't do that, yo. Oh, 15. Okay, here's the new 15-minute candle. Still rejecting. Interesting. Yeah, interesting. This could now reject a little bit further. I lost 4,000 because of low volume. Oh, Mike. Oh, I'm so sorry. You know what you get for that one. I think you get this one. Time to go stretch my legs and make brew. +2R on the morning. Hey, life sound. That's not bad at all. Well done. Not bad, not bad. And sugar honey iced tea. Do, 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 do. So out of the time that missed it, what works? I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. That's my bad. So I'm a little bit curious, right? Because some people are like, yeah, other people are like, meh. So I am not here Monday and Tuesday. Big sad. Unfortunately, I'm taking the horses up to Joburg. So it's gonna be a whole thing. Yay. Would you guys even care about a vlog of it? Do you care? Would that be something you'd be interested in? Oh, thank heavens. Goodbye. There we go. Finally. That took a while. Anyways, wondering how long that was gonna take. So, about a vlog, right? Yes, no, maybe. Like I said, genuinely curious if it's worth it or not. I guess. Let's just make sure. No, don't do that, don't do that, leave it alone. Dun dun dun. Oh, that's an interesting way to say, hey everyone, I'm gonna leave the chat. Life's out, why do you think I was like, finally, have you been reading the messages? I've been very hush-hush about them. I've been very hush-hush about them. But, gosh, they have been making me laugh. Anyways, that wasn't generally. Do Maya things. Good night. We trade the opening for 20 minutes, and like RC Cola does, you get the short squeeze. Would love to learn how to trade. Oh, nice. Wait. You would love to learn how to trade futures. Arthur, what are you trading then? Come back. Man, another setup for me if it drops a little more. Dare I take a 5th trade today? Jackie, is it part of your rules? Do I do it? Don't I do it? 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 This could be, I mean, it's taken out so much freaking sell-side liquidity. Looks like a double bottom as well. Can I buy it? Buy? So I was thinking of... That being said, I was gonna say I was actually thinking of a short here, but that being said, it's a B setup again. Not an A+. Digital success chill. Yes and no, I hear you. I appreciate that. I do appreciate that. But that being said, I took no trades on Monday. I took no trades yesterday. I traded on Tuesday. I had 1 loss and 1 win. I was actually up. I am only trading with 1 micro contract, so the wins are this much until I have more of a cushion, because I was down to 15. Was I $15 away from blowing this? I'm now up 120? No, $220 from blowing this, so that's definitely, it's improving. Just not a lot if you haven't been watching. My rules don't limit how many trades per day. Ah, who cares? Jackie, as long— wait, no, that's terrible. That's encouraging. I noticed I don't want a fair value gap on the bottom of the dip buy. I just feel like I'm pushing marks. Then sit on your hands, Shaki. Sit on your hands, don't overtrade and regret it, right? If it's going well for you, sit on your damn hands. Okay? Okay. Maya, your discipline is amazing. I would definitely— oh, thank you. You are one. You are so sweet. Thank you. I appreciate that. Maybe don't do that yet. One day when I'm big, you know where to find me. How you doing, Felipe? Don't worry, I remember you. I say Maya's the fighter. Thanks. Aw, Mother Fluffer, watch this not work? Except for this volume imbalance. But that no, it has it. Yeah, has it? I was gonna say it has been respecting volume imbalances. I'm lying. It has not been respecting volume imbalances that much. It's been respecting the fair value gaps quite nicely. Volume imbalances, me. Let me just confirm that until I, you know, just make sure I'm not talking absolute BS to you guys. Okay, it's respecting fair value gaps today, but volume imbalances, not so much. Let's see what it does here. There was a little tap into it. Mother Fluffer. Imagine this does go down now. Brother bear. There we go, get my sub support for the long trade after this one. Hey, bonjour. Where's my accent from? I'm South African. How you doing? I need a strong support for the dip buy. That's valid. Watch it now respect it just because I said it has not been respecting volume imbalances. You little brat. Seriously, someone is watching and someone's laughing. Oh, so loud. This does low-key look like a double bottom. Is this a double bottom? Ah, this thing's going up. Yep, it's going up. How high though? Definitely expect a little bit of a retrace after all the sell side liquidity it took though. Hey! Are nuts? Have I had any payouts? No. Related to Elon Musk also though. Oops! No. I'm definitely not. Sorry, I have hiccups again. Okay, wait. Okay, they're gone. No, I'm not related to Elon Musk. I wish everyone can display their P&L whenever they talk. Just saying. Are you saying like on the stream? I thought you were talking about me. I'm like, I have it up there. It's there for all to see. Don't worry. Can hear that Esther accent from a mile away. Thanks, Bear. Again, I know I've said this a few times, but I always find it very entertaining how some South Africans say I have a nice accent, and I'm like, what do you mean? What do you mean? What do you mean? Not you, other D. I have it potentially dropping a little more. You know who you are. But you should seek on your bottleneck of profitability. I hope you don't hope to be profitable on streams only. No, Onyx. Hi, by the way, I've only been trading for a year. Welcome, welcome. Good grief, people don't ask any questions. They just come in here and assume things. Anyways, moving on. What's up, Side? How you doing? Sorry, that's just me being salty for the day. Don't just assume things. People are all here doing their own journey. I've only been trading for a year. Some people might think that's long. Some people might say that's really, really short. It's hard to say. For some people, they've already gotten payouts within a year. For some people, it took them 3 to 5 years to get a payout right. Bye-bye. That sub is gorgeous. I'm tempted. Yeah. Yeah. How did I have this set? I had it here, hey? Tagged in, dropped down, gone back up. Let's see, it respected that freaking volume imbalance after I said it's not respecting volume imbalances. Mother bluffer. Made me a liar. Rude. Oh! Let me tell you then. For 3 to 5 months? Yeah. Well, I might not have to make a decision on taking the trade. The market may decide for me. What do you mean by that, Shaki? Damn, sweetheart knows trading in a twisted way. Sell side liquidity is not done. Check 30 minutes. No, we all have the goal of being able to doctor salary in one day as consistent traders. Boom, I'm out. $150. Hey, side, well done. Whoop, whoop. You missed the balance. Look at the inverted head and shoulders. I'm really bad at head and shoulders. I'm not even gonna sugarcoat that. I'm not great at spotting this. Leave me alone. Thank you. That one and that one would have worked. That's interesting. I'm having a quick look at this, actually. This specific trade here. If I don't draw it like a chop. Had 1, 2... a little bit more of a B setup going against. Will be a non-entry sit out. You really was head and shoulders? Sexy Seahawk? I'm back, don't worry guys, we got this. What's up, Lifestyle? I feel like it's at a deciding point. Unlux for me. It's at a solid decision point. I don't know earlier. Girl, what are you talking about? Hey Everett, what's up? How we doing? How we doing? How goes it? How goes it? Yes, that's what you said. And then pause for 5 seconds. Wi-Fi.
Emotional damage.
Just out here causing grief where it's not necessary. I took it at 964. You took a buy. Wait. Oh, okay. You took a buy at 964. Let's see if this is seek and destroying. This could slowly be headed back up now. It's retesting the retest. Not there, not there, not there. Naturally, because I said something about the volume imbalances, it has rejected off of it 3 times. Eh, no, technically 3 times. Mother fluffer. Was the balance off the shoulders? Bastard. Thanks, Arthur. Here we go. Oh, if it goes a little bit higher, I would prefer that. Actually, where's the 50% of this full range? Back up to there could be the way to go. Shaki, I'm assuming it didn't come get you, right? Market's decided for you? Hey Ryan, what's up? Oh, where's my butterfly of the day? I've been low-key distracted, but we still have plenty of time. It's oh good. Good golly grief. Okay. Rejection of the volume imbalance now. Seriously, just because I mentioned volume imbalances once. I'm gonna sweep off that New York low with the 5-minute breakup MES. Break up longs back for some fuel. Hold that large full range in half and then cut it down. You've marked out. Nice! Shaki, not even close. Well, it decided for you, right? Could be worse. That's not promising. Today I didn't sleep through my alerts. It's the small victories, Baldwin! Yes! Welcome, welcome, welcome. The alerts alerted you. I know that was really bad, don't judge me. I made 2,000, but this action isn't ideal. So, Mike, out of curiosity, when are you gonna start prop trading? What's the plan? If you don't mind me asking, sorry, maybe it's none my business. I'm just curious. We're going up, 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 and away, good grief. This is low-key better for a buy. Unless it makes a solid freaking doji there. Oh. Shoot, the only problem is that volume imbalance over there, but this volume imbalance is promising. 1, 2, 3. No trading with short on this. No, I do not write calligraphy. Taps into that wick. And then a rejection. Where's that? That 50% is over there. $14. Cool. I won't even be mad. Let's see. It was basically flatline consolidate instance, ceasefire many times, consolidate means a pump could be next. Exit out of the upside down head and shoulders now and restart in 1 minute. We saw it coming. With that huge wick that happened. I was waiting for a transpose level. At least would like to see a tag beep boop bop. That's where my English is at right now. You might want to track the first offered midnight fair value gap price usually revolves around it the whole day. Good area to mark down your... So, right, I do have the midnight open. Right here. This is the midnight open range. Mother fluffer. Didn't come and tag me in. Interesting about the fair value gap. Explain that a little bit? So, you might want to track the first offered midnight fair value gap. I have midnight open. Haven't heard about the midnight fair value gap. Head and shoulders 5 minutes ago, even so. I tried to start the market isn't friendly currently. That's valid. Need to get rid of this Xbox. What I've been playing. Oh, as long as you're having fun, David. Take it off the 1 minute chart, pull back and look at the full. Take it off the 1 minute chart, pull back and look at the full retracement of the upside down head and shoulders. You got 4 more contracts, easy. James J, what's up? How we doing? Man, yeah, looks like we might be pushing. Yeah, back up. Just didn't come and tag me in. Would have been solid if it went a little bit further down. Poop. Poop. Man, why did you do that? How rude. Just not wanting to come and retest these levels. I'm gonna try this one last time. As I say that, it looks like it's gonna start pushing back up. Okay, took out this wick, created potential equal highs. I want to at least see it go above. Here's the 50% of the whole. James J can't complain. Finances are short, I'm paying off the car. Oh, that's rough. I get it. Usually on the midnight, what you marked? Marking the first fair value gap makes it precise. 25150 to 25106 is today's fair value gap on the 1 minute. Hang on. Get ready to reverse in 2 minutes. Short the left shoulder to the orange line. Oh, really? I do not mean to be that guy, but I seriously... Okay, wait. You're saying 5 minutes you can see the head and shoulder. Or reverse head and shoulder. 1. Okay, I think I'm starting to see this head and shoulder whatnots thingy maboopy. Sorry, like I said, I'm really not good at spotting the head and shoulder and reverse head and shoulder. The idea is, here's a shoulder, that's the head, this should form another shoulder, correct? That's the thought process behind it. What did I do? You try to catch long. I am, Dom. I'm trying to catch long. Here's my buy limit. There's my buy limit. No, shoot. I have 3 confluences. This is an A+ setup. If it tags me in, we shall see. You called yourself a guy. Oh, I do that all the time. Look at me, I'm a bro. Okay, let's move this down. Go sleep. What do you mean go sleep, Kevin? Naz, yes, this is Naz. Sometimes head and shoulders don't form that easy. Sorry, like I said, I'm really bad at spot. It's the same with the W and the M's, and because if you look hard enough, everything looks like a damn W and an M. And I think that's where my brain gets confused. I'm like, but I guess that's why there's also like rules to the W's and the M's and the head and shoulders. I just obviously don't know them well enough. Hey Dolphin, what's up? How are we doing? Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Am I the only one that thinks of that when people mention head and shoulders? Oh, I think about the shampoo. That head and shoulders shampoo. No? Just me? I'm weird? Cool. No, mother fluffer! Why didn't you come tag me in? Yeah, you heard me. Called you mother fluffer. Oh, that'd be such a nice TV. Come on, come on. Okay. NQ's being a brat. It's not wanting to retrain me. This is the second trade I've actually set and it didn't come back to get me. Rude. Oh no, look, I'm now low-key just following this thing, but if it takes there, which it's about to do. Well, that was mean. Back up to midpoint. What if it is now going to just retest all of this? Ooh, maybe back up to VWAP in the midnight. Ooh, that could be something right there. It's support, not head and shoulders. Cookie did on my dog paw in the kitchen. I hurt my foot. Ew. Oh, thanks, Lava Turtle. Yeah, you're so sweet. It's most of the time one shoulder is longer than the other, so it's hard to spot it, but volume doesn't lie. Blonde and brunette are discussing their husbands now, and brunette told the blonde. Is that your strategy? Then good if it's profit. What, the head and shoulder one? It's not mine, if that's what you're asking. Now we can see pullback. It's about to tap into the 50% of the full range. Why didn't you do that earlier when I wanted you to pull back to 50% of the full range? Anyways. Yes, you're correct. That was in on the reverse in 5 minutes. That was easier to see instead of using the 1 minute. We'll bounce back, retrace, and go up again. Also due to political and one for all things now. Shoulders. Angry Bob. Oh, sorry. That was quite good. I did appreciate that joke. It's not a retest. It's a short sellers panicking. Why would they be panicking though? It's still gonna hit the next white line. What do you mean missed out on a short? If we're doing my strategy, which I can't do with this because it's risking too much, this would have been my short. Just FYI. This would have been my shorty short I would be looking for. Pity, because it does look nice. How much would I be risking? Ugh, I guess I could. I guess I could. Let's see if it goes a little bit higher. If it rejects off of VWAP, this could actually be a goodie. Bingo. Short sellers covering because they thought the president was not coming above the next 5 minute time. Mother fluffer. Is there short suffering from drawdown as this rallies higher? Alright then. The shorts panicked buy and get flat. Well then. I just sold TPS at 956. I can't believe how well this looks like it would have worked. Damn. I didn't realize I could have actually taken this without risking that much. Shoot, I should have taken it. I think the short's about to bounce off the blue line. Damn, okay. I'm a little bit shocked at how well this is working out. Take a few points at a time. 20 bucks, stop loss already, risk free. A little bit of a rejection off of that value gap. Create a little bit of a volume imbalance there. I know, James J. What the heck? I thought it was actually too... I thought the range was too big for me to trade. And then I realized actually it wasn't, but it was as it hit the entry point. I can still maybe try and get back in if this continues back down. Still maybe try to get back in. To be fair, I've tried to take a few trades today. It just didn't come and tag me in. Louis, I hope it doesn't consolidate. I just got in. Mike, you in on the short? No, Lance, what happened? Seriously, what happened? That's insane. Oh, thanks, son. Appreciate it. Damn. Damn. Oh my gosh. Damn, I'm not in! Oh, I didn't think I could trade this. I thought the range was too big, and then I realized, oh, it's actually not, but it had already tagged in. I thought it was going to retest a little bit higher and then try get in when it started to drop down, but it literally would have top ticked. Sugar honey iced tea. Okay, I know don't chase it, but I'm low-key gonna chase it. Don't try to catch a falling knife. Don't try to catch a falling knife. Don't try to catch a falling knife. I say while I try to catch a falling knife. Ooh, I'm a little bit salty about that one. Not even gonna lie. Watching you on a projector again, everything is so damn big, that's hilarious. I think I'm a glutton for punishment. Once the drawdown gets a little crazy, I say embrace for pain. Accounts occasionally get blown though, that's rough. No! No! No, this would have been like trade of the freaking week, man! Ah. No, you're right, you're right. Don't let the fear of missing out win. But look at what nice trade it would have been. I'm sad. Oh, so sad. Gem trade, that's wild, yep. Oh, there's a wiki wick. So hear me out. Problem is, these two do be contradicting each other right now. Doobie. Okay. Don't be mad about missing one. Move happen every single day, multiple times. Yo, 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 you have a point. I'm gonna stand up and just literally walk to my bedroom back to stop myself doing something dumb because I'm gonna do it. Give me a minute. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I told myself to cool down. That entry would have been legendary satisfying. If you knew you were acting out of phone, but didn't. Aw, Mike, I appreciate it. New York, here we come. We're good on to Bob level. Over bounce account. That's it. Winning strategy. Okay, so I see this trade is still low-key valid. Pity, pity, pity. What a pity. I see the GAN box is actually working out really well again. So New York, watch out. Like I said, I did actually place a few trades today. It just didn't come and tag me in because I was using the full range like I'm using now. If I had not used the full range, oh, I know, David, you did remind me earlier and I completely forgot. We haven't done butterfly of the day, so while this is making up its mind and, you know, making me want to FOMO, let's quickly do butterfly of the day to distract our brain. Da 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 da. This one. We've done this one. Da 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 da. This one. We've not done this one. 2. Says Bania. Says Bania Blue. Says Bania Blue. That's cute. Check how pretty he is. Not that one. I mean, that one's also pretty. What is this? I've seen this thing flying around. Huh. Anyways, here we go. It says Vanilla Blue. Like I said, not that one. It's definitely more this type of vibe. Is it? Yes. Is it? Yes. Yes. Okay. Says Vanilla Blue. So, where's he from? Here's wingspan of 18 to 26 millimeters. He's small. He's small. So the flight is slow and fluttering. So distribution is riverine and riverine and lowland forest, grassland only from KwaZulu-Natal. Ooh, lowland near Richards Bay, Okene's Drift near Ndumu, and a high altitude at Mirthley's Lake near Greytown. Oh, so this thing is pretty rare. This is a rare little blue. Habitat is forest edges, wetlands. That's it. Flight period is year-round. Peak November to May. Further north, probably only the warmer months in South Africa. Probably. I love how he says probably. That means it's rare. Okay, so this is quite a rare little butterfly. And its Latin name is Leptotes. Oh, that's so cute. Leptotes pulchra. Leptotes pulchra. Ta-da! He's quite cute. Okay. That's our little butterfly of the day right there. Now back to the charts. I see we have not missed much. Pity. Oh, it would have been legendary, man. Don't trip my head, ain't no thing but a chicken wing on a string. Nice, Louis. I've never heard that. Well, I've heard ain't no thing but a chicken wing, but not on a string. I tried to call the entry, but I guess I was 30 seconds too late. So, Louis, you know what's frustrating is I mean, you can see I marked out the full range. I actually wanted to long to the 50%, which is a little bit cheeky of me, but I mean, if it had tagged me in, it would have worked out really well. And I thought this range, I would have been risking too much. I really thought I would have been risking too much with this range. And as it tagged in is when I realized, oh damn, I could actually trade that. But as you can see, it didn't go and retest it. It literally wicked in. It's fine. Hey Noxie, what's up? How you doing? My strategy for confidence, just dip by, no FOMO, and don't catch the falling knife, and don't fall for the girl with the knife in the library. What? Damn, Mike, you got them rules over there. That's what you got. Interesting. Fact number 2 about, says Bania, ants aggressively defend the caterpillars from predators such as parasitic wasps or other insects. Why are ants and butterflies, or I guess the caterpillars, so like buddy? Good grief, I didn't know that was a thing. Another one that he's with the hands, literally. All good mayonnaise. How you doing, Noxy boy? Long time no see. Which script is this? Back with the bang? This is the Nasdaq futures, if that's what you're asking. I'm so salty right now about this trade. Oh, I'm salty. How's this look on the 5 minute? Is it a goodie for a 5? I mean, this isn't terrible for a 5 minute. Okay, this is now not FOMO. This has volume balance, a little bit of an imbalance up above. I do not hate this. And I have the no wick there. I do not hate this at all. Down below. Ugh, the only problem is if it does that, it's gonna make me think it wants to go a little bit higher because it's making a higher low. Maya's my butterfly of the day. Wow. Lovely trading with you as always. 1 win, 1 loss, up 350 on the morning. Aw. Okay, lifetime, but I'll see you later, right? Did I miss? I just did butterfly of the day. Yep. Another one right around the corner, but to be honest, I know exactly the feeling you're having. I've broken things in my house before. No ways, Louis. I've been tempted. So what would I break? Maybe I should start beating. I don't know. How to bang this. Does it work? A little bit. Gets a little bit of frustrations out. Anyways, so Gift, what's up? Wouldn't get OTT, what's up? Where you been? Frank? Hi, don't mind me. Don't mind me. I agree, you can buy some dishes for breaking and scream. Whoopa! Right when you throw it. You know what? If I had cheap ones, I would freaking do that on the live stream. Oh my gosh, maybe I should do it on the live stream. No, I know. Do you know what's frustrating? I know exactly what's gonna happen if I do that. I can tell you what people are gonna say if I do that. When the two. Shoot. That's okay, OTT. Thanks for stopping in to say hi. I appreciate it. So when you live that you can make it to where you can zoom in on your chart, what indicator do you usually use, settings, etc. Is this top secret? Darthbane, which one are you on right now, out of curiosity? Are you on the vertical or the horizontal? Because there's two streams, by the way. There's vertical, where you can't see as much of the chart, there's just more of me. But then there's horizontal, where you see more of actually the chart, and you'll be able to see a little bit more. Unfortunately, with the vertical, I tried my bestest, but this was the most I could fit in. Sorry. But horizontal, you see the whole chart and everything. All two of my keyboards were sacrificed in the earlier days. I love it. They're good. Those boys took it like a champ. Oh, Rohan, that was hilarious. That was amazing. Do I do it? Do I not do it? Do I do it? Do I not do it? Risk $24. It's not a lot. take that out, take that out. Might just go a little bit further up than I wanted to. Sorry, let me move that out the way. What did I do? Oh, I moved. Let's see. Stop loss a little bit higher would actually be ideal. Boy, I'm open there right by the volume imbalance. It's creating some wickless over there. That's not ideal. Securing $100 just in case. Nice. Sugar honey iced tea. This might be a mistake. I lose any trade in a day, you're gonna... Okay. Anyways. Rob, where do you live? Might be impossible to do that. That's not looking great, is it? Nope. But we're in. I want to see it reject off of the volume imbalance. These wicks were not promising at all. I want to see it go back down to at least that volume imbalance. That's the goal. Good limit order. Just watch out for the internal range liquidity downside. If it gets taken out, you might want to reconsider the limit order. That's what I was... I mean, that's basically where the TP is at here. Let's see. Even a word impossible says I'm possible. Rob, I do agree with that. That is poetry right there. Pure poetry. Hey, Patsy. Patsy, that's cool. What am I trading? I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. What's up? How you doing? Oop, I didn't trade. Looks good. I'm in with you. Oh, nice. Okay, let's go around. Well, let's see. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work, right? It is what it is, but I took it. It came to get me, which is good. I wanted to come and take out this at the bottom before it goes lower. If it doesn't work out, it doesn't work out. Basically doing $100 investment with $20 a point, right? Abdullah, what's up? How you doing? Uh-oh. Oh, that did not respect that at all. Come on, you were respecting the volume imbalances earlier. Do it again. Is this a real trading account? What do you mean by real? I am still using prop firm, if that's what you're asking. Shambalamoe? Hey Omar, what sessions do I trade? I trade both London and New York session. Yeah. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, that's not good. Uh-oh, that's not good. Uh-oh. That's bad. Uh-oh. That's not looking good, is it? Oh well. On to the next. Okay, I was about to say, what? Okay. That took me out. That's what I get for Loki having a teeny tiny bit of FOMO with that one. It's fine. I did have my confluences, that being said, so it's fine. At least I managed to get a freaking trade in today. It was a loss, but it was definitely what I was willing to risk. Still on 514. Yeah, that's fine though, right? It's all part of it. Balance. What was it? What did I say it was? It's 51460. See, you guys can see everything. There ain't no secrets here. That's my balance. You caught the falling knife? No, I didn't. No problemo. Instant. There we go. Exactly. Move on to the next. Carry on. Move along. Onto Discord. Shoot. There we go. Oops. Moving on. On to the next. Oh, this now might be going back up to VWAP. If anyone's in a buy. This is a fun. I can't give us the name of the game. No biggie. Oh no. $100 investment too low. Where's Scalping? Hey, Solly. What's up? Just for you, Solly.
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
How you doing? How's it going? Am I profitable? Not yet, Stake One. No. One day. No, that would have been a loss. Oh, damn. Okay. This lower volume now is no longer working with this. It's like Shaki said, you have to know the correct volume to take these trades. This is not the correct volume to be trading in right now. Damn. At least for this particular strategy. What futures? I'm trading the Nasdaq futures, the micros to be there. Oh my gosh, Solly, that is... Wait. This is them for you, Solly. I got you.
Emotional damage.
I found out yesterday my last name means young goat in that, and that's hilarious. Are we still 2 hours behind London? No. What do you mean? What do you mean, Nox? What do you mean? For 2 hours? PK Trading Nasdaq 2.2 key level TP. What's up, PK Trading? Where'd you go? Rowan. I'm glad me and Rowan had the same thought process. It's a pity it just didn't work out, right? But it is what it is. But now I see we are making lower highs, higher lows. I keep messing that up. Lower highs. Nope, higher lows. Yeah, I've updated this. Yeah, that's the updated balance. I've one contract. I'm still in this thing, Solly. Don't freaking ask me how, but yeah, we're in this thing. I flipped that. I wanted to do something. What did I want to do? Sugar honey iced tea. Oh! Stupid! I see what I did. Flip man, an SMT was created on ES. Oh man, that was dumb. Okay. I see what happened there. Guys, don't forget to look at your other assets or your correlating assets, sugar honey iced tea. Okay, I see where my mistake was. Oops. Good thought behind the trade, just didn't catch the SMT that was formed on ES. Yeah. Tequila, what's up now? Let's get it started. Song I did. I met a drunk ventriloquist at the bar. She said she wanted to go home with me, but I said I wasn't sure if it's her or the beard. Skeletor, that was so bad. Skeletor still doing his thing always. Always, always. Gim, what's up? How are we doing? Skeletor's always here and I love it. I'm all for it. Man, sugar honey iced tea. Interesting. Nope. It's reverse head and shoulders thing. I don't know. I do and do not see it. It's a pity. And I was just saying how you're respecting the volume imbalances. Came to prove me wrong again. Oh well, on to the next. What's my Violin code? Let's see if it works with me this time. Teach Maya. So option 1. So option 1 is the one with the 89% discount, by the way. Just in case. So not option 2, unfortunately. Option 2 is the end of day drawdown. Option 1 is scaling, unfortunately. Sorry. Yeah, but yeah, my discount code for all of them actually is TeachMath. There is also a really good sale discount going on with Traderify, 40% off everything, which is great. Yeah. No good English. Aw, thank you, Gim. You're so sweet. Hey, Frank. How long have I been trading? A year! I've been trading for a year. How exciting. You guys haven't turned off YouTube live chat. You ain't even courageous, Tom. What's happening? It's cool. Trailing keeps me disciplined. True. You'll see higher time frames, and depending on that, you go to lower time frame to find entry. Sakusa? I feel like I butchered that. I'm so sorry. Just let me know if it doesn't work, and I'll sort it out. Me too last. Damn, I got a loss. Oh, me. Nice grab. When is the anniversary of year trading? So, the 14th, if I'm not mistaken. So next week, Tuesday, but I'm not here, so we're gonna have to make the 15th a big thing, right? I think we'll make the 15th a big thing. If I'm not mistaken, that's actually a really good point. Maybe I should go and figure that out. My girlfriend is the parrot, the stupid thing. The parrot was alright.
Emotional damage.
Good grief, David. Rough. Just rough. Holy moly. Oh, okay, by the way, I completely forgot this poll was still going. Looks like the yeses won, so I will do a vlog on Monday and Sunday for some of you. It's gonna be a thing. Let's do this. Everything is confirmed. Korean with buyers and sellers returning fighting or closing in short. I know, Jose. I really thought that it would go and take out at least 926 before it started going back up, though. Called that wrong. Oh well. I really thought that's where it was headed. Pity. Okay, don't be messing with this now. It's going further down than I would like to see it go. Take a breather. We still have time. Instead of the anniversary celebration, call it the first day of your second year trading. Oh, that's cool. I like that. The first day of my second year trading. I like that a lot. But the question is, what do we do? How do we celebrate it? How can we make it special, right? Is it the day we just YOLO? Full port this. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, I don't know. But he's been taking on next week 15 April's your trading anniversary. You have to full port. Does it count if it's still going by then? Solly? Might be back by then. Let's see. Han, did your stop loss get hit? I know my stop loss. Oh, I forgot to hit this. Play the stop loss noise. Ready? Ta-da! that is like the new stop loss noise. I think it's so funny. It cheers you up. You're not even angry anymore. Or upset or whatever. No, so apparently you're not supposed to have emotions. I will gift you a new account if it goes bad, I promise. Damn, Solly. Alright, bet. I think the market's moved down more overall now that it's temporary resolution and the overseas stuff will focus back on economic data, which hasn't been good. Valid, Louis full port. Where is Hammer? Hammer's not here for all the full ports. No, actually forget I said that. Why? Where'd Hammer go? Hammer's not here and I'm sad. Will it paste? No! Why can't you send this? Paste it! Paste it! Paste it! Oh, you can only do chart snapshots. That's stupid. Oh well. What account do you want to make it worth it? Dun dun dun. Good question, Solly. Let me have a think on that. Unfortunately, we're a little bit limited here in South Africa, huh? Pasted. I was trying. I'll have to just send it to him later. I'll tell him about it. $100K TPT. We can't trade TPT here, Louis. And Lux. If I made full use of my Portuguese citizenship and lived in Portugal, I would have been able to. Damn. Not seizing opportunities where I should. Like a silly goose. Oh. Pity. 50K, come on now. Why is finding bugs on my friend and girlfriend? All the good ones I take and David? Sis. I just placed a trade at that point. Hey. Oof, what's up? Wait, are you Portuguese living in... I'm half Portuguese. But I was born in South Africa. My dad is Portuguese. Still got my Portuguese ID and things though. Hello. You know, I would say, oh, let me just go move to Portugal, but number one, can't speak Portuguese. That might not work so well. That would be very entertaining. You're doing 500 a rack, what? Okay, so let's think about this now. That and that. We need a solid engulfing. If I'm completely new to trading, where should I start? I've literally never seen anything. Whoa, okay. So I would say start with candles and learn market structure. I would say that's number one. Market structure. Guys, Any thoughts? Anything else you would say? If you're completely new to trading, where should you start? So I started with the candles and learning about market structure. Any other thoughts from the group? From the community? Oh, I think we may or may not have lost our volume now. Yeah, sad. Father's daughter. Oh, how many contracts are you holding on? Oh, currently just one, Mike. I'm just doing one currently to get me out of the holy moly I've created. Power trip? No. But it's fine. I had a few missed, so then naturally the one I got was a loss. It's fine. Learn risk management, bruh. I'm definitely using risk management or else I would not still have this funded account trust. Oh, sorry, power trip. I'm so sorry. That was your response to if you're completely new to trading. But even before risk management, I'm assuming that's it, right? Start with deposit first. Learn the dip, buy, don't catch the falling knife, and no FOMO. Wow, way to rub it in, Mike. Only have stocks in promo t-shirts and snapbacks. Wow. Sounds about right. Maybe price action 2. Ooh, yeah, maybe price action 2, Jose. It's good. What is counter trend? Isn't it just a retest? Is counter trend not just a retest? I've never actually heard of counter trend. I'm assuming that's just a retest. My trading VIX, nah, I'm trading Nasdaq futures. What's up? Anyone that's just hopped on? Hi! How you doing? How's it going? I'm here for a few more, I'd say a few more minutes. I'm still here for a while. You all are stuck with me for a little bit longer. I see price action not price action. Volume has died down a tad bit now, but we did have change of character and break of structure, so looking for longs isn't the worst thing now. Let's see. This could also just be kind of going sideways until New York. There is news happening later, so I wouldn't be surprised if that's all the volume done and dusted. As I say that, this has a little bit of a spike. Anyways. Solly, if you're saying that, imagine how long ago it feels for me. So I'm leaning into the I'm old thing. Some weird accent popped up there. Go for a short position down to the key now. I mentioned the Nasdaq and something. I would perhaps wait for a sell-off from the Asia highs, and once then sells occurs, wait for formation. Hey Jason, what's up? How goes it? How are you doing? This price action is questionable. It's marriage. Jason, that's amazing. Oh man. Oh, you know what? It's good. I can't complain. Ugh, a few missed trades here and there. Unfortunately. And then this one I got into, I really thought I wanted to come and take out these lows. I was wrong, so that's fine. And now we're going back up. Well, now just tapped into VWAP, but it's still very far away from VWAP on ES. So, counter trend is reversal. So, oh, that's actually valid. So Shaki says if you're new to trading, you would avoid most traders on YouTube unless they're showing live trades and brokerage statements. Rude greetings from Amsterdam. What up? How's Amsterdam treating you? I've been to Amsterdam before when I was oh so small. When I was just a baby. No, I'm kidding. I wasn't that small. It's like, shoot, how old was I? No, I was like 11, I think. I was pretty young. Anyways. Just took buys at 008. To where? Where's your TV at? At least it teaches us to adapt and overcome. Oh, that's true, Jason. Can't argue with you on that one. Most of the profitable trades are only profitable from affiliate codes. Amsterdam, hello. Been a gorgeous week. Yeah, there's a lot of fakes out there pretending to be winning. When it comes to no retest, trading, just been kids stuff for me. Oh, rough. Imagine waking up to a loss. Yeah, that would be pretty sad. Oh, that's what I was looking at. So on the 5 minute. You know what's so frustrating? These bob to bob levels actually give me a freaking headache. Let's see if this goes all the way back up to 0.30. Like, honestly, if it does, this is... Yeah. I mean, a retest here wouldn't be terrible. Let's see. A little bounce off a VWAP. A little bit of a dippy dip down to counter the imbalance it created. You know what? It's bad, but at least I didn't get in on the lowest low. But I've done that before. That's been frustrating. Hitting the midnight. Vicky Hoyt. GGL, you asking me if I had a good trade? Yeah, not bad, not bad. Wait, are you speaking Dutch right now? Wow, that's wild that I can low-key understand that just because it's really similar to Afrikaans. Short on gold. We're going up, 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 beep, 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 beep. Okay, let's give it a few more minutes. If it doesn't show us something good, I might call it a tad bit early today. Let's see though. I'm talking to James, yeah, I was Dutch, close to South African. Nice. Love that song. Nice! So you at least know where that comes from. Now, often I've mentioned freaking, oh my gosh. It's not called Demon Slayer. Definitely not called. Oh my gosh, what's the movie called? Ah! Drawing a blank, like an actual blank. What the hey diddly day. Demon Hunters? K-pop Demon Hunters, thank you, Mikwawave. Anyways, I just got 11 good off the gun. Are you serious? Are you serious? Okay. Sakosta, you deserve this, and... shout out. Shout out. Thank you for the support. That is amazing. That is awesome. Sakosa, are you on Discord? Out of curiosity. But we're currently experiencing a gap in CFDs and I assume the futures as well. A gap? What do you mean by a gap? And with all due respect. I like that. You're so polite. If you're acting on the Nasdaq has left a gap up to 2, we could use this as our first take profit in a short position. Brilliant film. Thank you, Mikuwabe. And so many people are like, and I'm like, it's good. I don't understand the issue with it, but whatever. Oh, hello, here we go. Oh. Now go for sell. That's risk free. What did they say? Yeah, I have Discord. I actually wanted to start like a VIP Discord for anyone that uses the codes. So you get VIP status. Hey, Hammer! Someone mentioned, but I guess you weren't here. At the bottom of the chart, check the section and say, hey, click on it and select. Oh, yes, yeah, Peaky, I've seen that. Done that. Freaks me out. Hurts my brain cells. First time I was told me to watch, I said to her, no, I'm not watching it. I really watch it now. Some of the music is on my plate. Thank you. Thank you. I agree. It's low-key a banger. And if you like anime, the art style is actually really decent. And let's not forget the tiger and that little bird are alive. Just saying. I'm in. If you make it, yeah. Where can I join the Discord? Oh, okay, so it is. Wait. I can actually now do this. Whoop whoop. Yep, you get VIP community, you get VIP general chat. Here's a Discord link to anyone that wants to join. Oh, shoot, press the wrong thing. If it doesn't work, it is also in the description of this video. And if you make it, TP at 984. Okay, this mother fluffer is now just going down. The larger range, I would still be in this. Theme song's a musical masterpiece. I agree. It's not a link, so you have to copy it. Sorry. What about the link in the description? Doesn't that work? Okay. I'm actually curious about this now. No, that gave me the middle finger. Do you think I might go back to midnight? I could go back to midnight. A little bit of a retesty. What do you guys believe this is going down properly? Down. Maya, I'm going to the dark side. I want to try to learn real order flow. And I'm slightly scared. What? TP is 24400. I'm sorry, what? 24400? How long have I been trading in the... yeah! Oh, wait, on Tuesday. It's been a year. Micro losing is tough. I hope it does go back to midnight, but after it hits my TP, hopefully. Just joined. I'm right nuts. Are you okay? Okay. He's sleeping, but he's breathing so loud. What's your name? Don't. Hey, James, bonjour. Also, I want to... Seems coincidental. I mean, it might be. Do you believe in coincidences, though? I mean... theoretically. But I don't like this. Pity. I'm back again, just had a stupid call. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. Debbie? Oh, is Debbie here? Debbie! I don't think Debbie's here anymore. I think I upset Debbie because I haven't used her indicators yet. It's not stacking up. We call them evidence. Does anyone here trade using Ninja Trader, by the way? There's a few people, I think. Who uses Ninja? A Ninja Trader. If this mother fluffer works out now. Have you ever had a look at the channels? Louis, why is Louis upset with me? Microwave, I need help with something. Ninja Trader gives me a headache, but OTT is a fan of it, so that means I need to give it another look. He might win. OTT's, but oh, there we go. So OTT, no, but OTT doesn't use it. He just thinks that it looks decent. Give me 2 seconds. I want to quickly check something before I do something like a silly goose. Blah, 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 blah. I was the one that told him to go to Ninja Trader. Not mad at you. At Nasty Naz. Oh, I hear you. Wait, don't. Giraffe? Good grief, what's happening? Giraffe be vicious. You good? Rough. Okay. Looks like it might not give me something. Probably knows it's back to Brendan's hideout by now. Hey, Jaxie Jax, what's up? How you doing? You know what? I don't hate what happened today. Today was actually not bad. It was rude and it didn't come and get me in where I wanted it to get me in, and it got me in on the trade that obviously was a loser, and it's fine. We move on. I used Ninja Trader for a while, and I just switched because I was traveling on the move and my laptop is a MacBook. Oh, that makes sense. Shells to stick the innocence and let the birds know. What just happened? Are you good? Maya? Yes, I can. Rude? Mikuave? Just saying. Damn, that's for real estate concern. Oh, thank you, but it's okay. You said been fine to me this morning. She offered me 6.5k TP. What? Damn, Jason, I do declare that deserves a whoop whoop. Actually, anyone that's in the green, whoop whoop. Well done. Why don't you get like 100 moving average and placing direction point? Hammer, is that what you use? I think I might just want myself enough for cons. People can't understand me. That's low-key hilarious. You know what, do it. Why not? Why not? 9 green. 9. Anyways. I'm so sorry if that was rude. My bad. Anyways, 5:45. What a time to be alive. Anything still happening here? Do we got anything? intrusive thoughts. Why? Wait. There's gonna be small trains waiting on the New York. We just had a glitch on it at the moment. I can't seem to get it back to normal on the train. It's really that's weird. Mikuave. Sorry, I had to do that one thing. That's caught me off guard. I went to Google Translate. Oh my gosh. Okay, it looks like we are possibly done with the volume until New York. What do you guys think? Do you think this is now sleeping until New York, waiting for the news later it's at 8:30, hey? Yeah, it's at 8:30. Most likely. What's my bias on the daily time frame? My bias was bearish for a retest. That was my bias for the daily, was bearish for a retest because of all the freaking imbalances. Hence, you know, bearish. I mean, technically I wasn't wrong. When we started here at 3am, it did just crash back down. I missed the move. To be fair, I did place a few trades that just didn't come up and tag me in, which was rude. Aw, thank Courageous. You're so sweet. Most of us here don't know how to trade. Just read that comment. Just because we trade doesn't know me. We are all here. Like I said, I don't think anyone ever fully stops learning when it comes to trading. Every single day, you learn something different. Oh, what did I do? Oh, I did the wrong thing. Oh my gosh. I did something weird. There we go. Looks like we know channel times break out the regression rental microwave. Okay. Let's give it 2 more minutes, guys. Let's see. Did you hear that, Nazzy Naz? You got 2 minutes. Also, I might call it teeny tiny bit early. Wait for the New York session to give us something good. Today's Thursday, right? Yeah, today's Thursday. I don't know why I keep thinking it's Friday. Today is Thursday in DDO. Let's do this. Let me know how to. You know, we don't have IKEA in South Africa. Which is low-key sad. I think it looks like fun to have to make your own furniture, I guess. For real is all about. Here goes oil and gas. Yeah. I want to be home and irritate my broker with 300. Do it, do it, do it, do it. Wait, you're not home right now? Emma, where you at? Okay. 1 minute to go. Don't disappoint me. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, Nazzy Naz. Break out. Break out of this. Sing that song, I Want to Break Free. Wow. 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 Equale? Wow. Nah, I'm in town, not on the farm, waiting for people. Ugh, people. I'm kidding. Oh, I hear that though. Okay, wait. 15 seconds. Let's see. 14, 13, 12. Are we breaking free? 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nope, apparently not. What prop is this account with? My funded account is with Top 1 Futures. Sorry, I'm snoring. Oh, no! No ways, McWaver, you actually beat Jordy at chess. He's good at chess. It's really irritating. Well done. Played with him once. It felt really dumb. He sold the white candle. What, sell to this one? Aw, thanks, Shaki. 20, how do you maintain everyday vibes, staying cool, you know? Do I? I appreciate that. Yesterday, meh. I feel a little more like a human today. I have not been sleeping well. I don't even think sleeping well is, but I just basically haven't been sleeping for the past like 2 weeks. So yesterday after stream I said, no, I'm done with this. I'm sleeping. So I went and I stayed for like 12 hours. So now I actually feel like a human being again that can function. I've been playing all week. I felt so good about myself. Good job. Small white friendly candle. He needs friends. Oh. Oh, white lonely candle. He needs friends, Emma. That is hilarious. Do you really think it's going all the way back down there? Hey, Bonjour, what's up? Where you been? Mother bluffer, come on, break out. African Queen, hi! How's trading today? You know what? Not bad. Unfortunately, the one trade that I got in on, so there was a few trades that I set up, but it didn't come and tag me in. The one trade that it did tag me in was a loss, but it's fine. It happens. Book what she considers a bad day as a whole bit of discomfort. Pretty. Aww, thank you. Would love to buy, and that's the complete opposite. True. Okay. Hammer, you would have done me dirty if I sold there. Shame on you. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Do you teach trading? I would love to join your classes. I do not teach trading. I'm still learning myself. So I guess theoretically every single live stream is kind of like a lesson. Normally me learning the lesson the hard way of losing, but it's still a lesson. Don't let me come back and say I told you so. Damn, that a threat right there. Good grief. I'm low-key scared. That was terrifying. Alright then. That was very threatening. I'm terrified. Ew. David, that was solid. That was good. That was good. Bruh, look at this. Bro, why? Okay. Okay. No, I'm gonna crash.
Why are you doing this?
I don't feel like
Why are you even thinking
consolidation.
this way?
Later scale. It's all about play. This is not financial advice. Jody. I'm still holding on. Don't ask me how, but I'm still holding on. Damn, that actually would have been a decent long backup. Maybe I should listen to myself sometimes. That being said, this was... not even a B setup. Yeah, guys. On that note, I think I'm gonna call it a tad bit early. Well, I say 5 minutes early today. And get my shenanigans organized. I will be back